In this video, we'll explore the curve command in Rhino, used to draw smooth curves known as a control point curve that follow the shape defined by control points. Step 1. Accessing the command. You can start the command by typing curve in the command line and pressing enter, or click the control point curve icon in the curve toolbar under draw curve. Step 2. Drawing a control point curve. Once the command is active, Rhino prompts start of curve. Click to place your first control point, then continue clicking to place the next control points. The curve will not pass through these points. Instead, it's influenced by their overall layout. The more points you place, the more fluid and adjustable the curve becomes. Step 3. Finishing the curve. Once you've placed all the points you need, press enter or right click to finish the curve. Tips. Understand control point behavior. Control point curves don't pass through the control points. Instead, they use those points as magnets to influence the shape, like stretching a rubber band over pegs. This makes them ideal for creating clean, flowing curves in product design, architecture, or animation paths. Use fewer points for smoother curves. Fewer control points often result in cleaner, more predictable curves. Try starting with 5 to 7 points and only add more when needed. Consider this. If points are placed too closely in large numbers, any change in control point location may not result in a smoother continuation if there are too many to begin with. As a good practice, start with fewer points to get the best results. Once you are done with the final shape, you can add more control points later using insert control point command. That's how the control point curve command works. Powerful for drawing fluid, editable curves that don't necessarily pass through your clicks. Now, we'll learn how to use the curve through points command, a Rhino tool that creates smooth curves that pass directly through selected points, unlike the control point curve. Step 1. Accessing the command. To begin, type curve through PT into the command line and press enter. Or go to the curve toolbar under the draw curve group and click the icon labeled curve through points. Step 2. Drawing a curve through points. Once the command is active, Rhino prompts select points. Click to select 2 or more points in the viewport. You can either select points one by one or drag a selection window over them. Once you've selected the points, press enter. Rhino will create a smooth curve that passes directly through each selected point in the exact order they were selected. Tips. Use carefully placed points for accurate curves. Since the curve must pass directly through each point, the placement of those points has a strong effect on the curvature. To create a smooth flowing line, space the points evenly and avoid sharp angles between them. Try placing the points in a gentle arc or sweeping motion to see the difference. Selection order matters. Rhino connects the points in the order they were selected, not based on spatial arrangement. If your curve appears tangled or ill-formed, double-check your selection order. To avoid errors, click points sequentially rather than using a window selection when the order is important. That's the curve through points command, a powerful way to create interpolated curves that flow directly through specific control locations. Now, we'll explore the Interpolate Points command in Rhino, a method to draw smooth curves by clicking directly through the desired path, with the curve passing exactly through each point as you draw. Step 1. Accessing the command. To get started, type interpcrv into the command line and press enter. Alternatively, you can click the Interpolate Points icon in the curve toolbar under the draw curve section. Step 2. Drawing the interpolated curve. Once the command is active, Rhino prompts you to start placing points. Click in the viewport to place the first point, then continue clicking to place additional points. You'll notice that the curve passes directly through each point as you draw. When you've placed all the points, press enter or right-click to complete the curve. Tips. Use Interpolate Points for real-time direct drawing. Unlike curve through points, where you create points first and then select them. Interpolate Points allows you to draw directly by clicking along the path. Each click adds a new point, and Rhino generates a smooth curve through it immediately. This is especially useful for sketching paths or outlines quickly and precisely. Modify degree for curve smoothness. While drawing, you can adjust the degree of the curve from the command line. For example, degree 3 creates a cubic curve. A higher degree can produce a smoother curve, but with more flowing bends. Use lower degrees for tighter or more technical curves. That's the Interpolate Points command, a fast and intuitive way to create smooth curves that pass directly through your desired path. Now, we'll explore the Handle Curve command in Rhino, a tool that lets you draw curves using directional control handles, similar to how Bezier curves work in graphic design software. Step 1. Accessing the command. To start, type Handle Curve into the command line and press Enter. Or go to the Curve toolbar under the Draw Curve group and click the icon labeled Handle Curve. Click right mouse button. Step 2. Drawing the handle curve. When the command is active, Rhino prompts you for a series of handle point pairs. Click to place your first handle point, then move and click again to place the second handle point. This pair defines the starting direction and strength of the curve segment. Continue placing handle point pairs. Each pair controls a segment of the curve. Once you've placed all your segments, press Enter to finish the curve. Tips: think in terms of direction and force. Each handle pair controls the direction and tension of the curve, just like Bezier curves. The first point of the pair defines where the curve comes from, and the second defines where it goes toward. This gives you precise control over how sharply or smoothly the curve bends. That's the Handle Curve command, a Bezier-style tool for sculpting precision curves with flow, flexibility, and full handle control.